I've just done one of these. Just one of these 10 minutes ago, and I forgot to put my microphone on. Yes, yet again. So I've got a full video with no talking, basically. That's what I get for doing them this time in the morning with only one coffee. So I'll try again. It's only a quick one. Just wanted to show you this, what you can do, basically, when it comes to trading. So I'm on MEXC at the moment. I'm just having a little play around on this one, just a little practice on this one. I've got another one running in the background, which is set up. It's not an auto, but I set it up in a way like it's kind of like auto. It buys, and then I've got sell orders in, so it's just a little bit like auto. I have to keep going back and adding to it. But yeah, it ticks away from me in the background, just keeping an eye on it. So right, with this one, obvious reasons, you can see down at the bottom, 500x. Yeah, I've got this on a lot of leverage. So yeah, 500 is a big leverage to have. But the reason I'm doing that is I've got it on a 5-minute time frame. I've got my leverage at 500, and I've got it in a way that my margin is only about, well, it's $6 now, but I've got it at like $10. So we're happy to lose $10 on the trading. I probably wouldn't have, because I'd have got out before that anyway, but that's where I got it set up as a safety net kind of thing. But all went well. I've sold out a couple of times from the original trade I put in. There's a sale there, and there's two up here. So it's getting me at the moment, it's getting me straight into the bank wallet, just over $12. I've got just over $15 left profit that I've already banked in. This can go up and down. This is safe now. This is in. I've drawn. This is out. I can do what I want with this again now. And my margin's only $6.18. So even if it is my margin call, which is liquidations here, 107,670, which is this bit here, this bottom line. If it hits that, obviously you have to be careful. You have to watch for dumps, but Bitcoin does dump, but not always that fast. People would argue with that, but it's not like you kind of little tokens, you know what I mean, like Doge and things like that. Don't usually have massive crashes. You can see a few, but yeah, it'll work its way down. Might have a couple of dumps. If it does, it should close up at that. Worst case scenario, it pushes through it a little bit, it's a bit higher, but I'll watch it and I would close it down anyway at that point. So like I said, worst case scenario, around about $6 loss, $12 in profit, would still be $6 in profit. Now I've got 15 to play about with. I can take a bit more out if I want. I'm just watching what it's doing. I might buy in again here, because I can still take some risk, because I can use this for my risk. So I'm kind of like using the money I've made to try and create more money. Rinse and repeat, that's what they always do. So yeah, we're in a good position at the moment. I'm trying whether to take a bit more out. Let me zoom in a little bit, see where we are. We're up a bit at the moment. I mean, yeah, we are above. Yeah, we're above when I last took some out, so I may take a little bit more out just to put some more on the table. So just give me a second, I'll just do that. What I'll do is I'll go for market price, and we will. So I'll just take. Let's take another. Take 5 out. Show what we're on. 15. Take about 5 out. Take that out. That's sold. So there's $10 left in. We've got $18. So we're in a good position now. See, funding fees. Look at that. That's no. We just cashed out. So yeah, this way you can make some good money on this, because the funding fees, what they charge you, are ridiculously low. I mean, this makes plenty of money out of it for the amount of people that's on it and the amount of money what goes through. And they're not greedy. They're not greedy at all. The trading fees, you don't even notice them for what you can make on it. I mean, what was that? Wait, 10 cents for what I cashed out? It's nothing. Oh, you do get fees on your leverage, obviously, so you have to keep an eye on that. Again, they're not massive. But it depends which way it's going. I mean, when it goes down, you tend to get the fees paid to you from the well, it's like if it's the sellers, they pay the buyers pay the sellers. But that's another story, how that works. But like I say, even when you're getting charged, it's very minimum. It's kind of like when you're paying a loan back in a way, but not that kind of extreme amount. So yeah, it's really good. So like I say, we leverage, you kind of borrowing it a bit like a loan, but with minimal cost and just a click of a button, and you can end it anytime you want. So there's no fees for ending it as such. So yeah, just keep an eye on this now and keep rinsing and repeating this. Like I say, we're in a really good position now, so we could leave it a bit longer. I've come out there, this point here, took a couple out there, which is this one. I've come out again in this area here. I mean, I might mark them off, don't know. So we'll just see if it drops back down again. I might buy in again. Down this area, we'll see how we go. And like I say, I'm leveraging by 500, so for every dollar what I do, I'm getting $500 to trade with, and it all melts up on here. So right, I'm going to leave that for now, because like I said, I've already done one of these and I messed it up. So as we always say up Yorkshire, England, see you later.